Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, and today we're talking about one of the most requested topics ever, how to learn English on your own and actually see results.
We know many of you study alone, maybe after school or after work, or even late at night when you're tired. But the truth is, you can improve your English by yourself. And in this video, we're going to show you how, step by step.
Tip 1. Make English part of your life.
Let's start with something really simple. Create small English moments.
A lot of people think learning English means sitting at a desk for hours, but everyday English is everywhere.
For example, switch your phone to English. Watch short videos in English. Follow English-speaking creators. Listen to English music and actually read the lyrics. Change the subtitles on Netflix.
The goal is to make English something you see and hear all the time. It becomes your second environment, even from home.
And honestly, that's how you train your brain faster than studying once a week.
Tip 2. Shadowing the fluency secret.
Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful techniques ever, shadowing.
Shadowing means listening to English and repeating at the same time. No pausing, no translating, just following the rhythm.
You can do it with YouTube videos, movies, podcasts, speeches, interviews.
At first, you'll feel funny. You'll sound too slow, too fast, or just confused.
But after a few days, you start copying the accent, the intonation, the natural pauses. And that's when you start sounding more fluent. If you only practice shadowing for 5 minutes a day, your English will transform. We promise.
Tip 3. Learn phrases, not words.
Another secret, stop memorizing single words.
Instead, learn phrases you can use immediately, like, let me think. I'm not sure. That makes sense. I didn't catch that. Can you say that again?
These phrases help you speak naturally and with confidence. They're like little tools you can use anytime.
And the more you use them, the faster you stop translating.
Tip 4. Build a mini English routine. Just 30 minutes.
Most people think improving English requires hours, but honestly, it's about consistency, not duration.
Try this simple daily routine. 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes reading or vocabulary.
That's it. 30 minutes a day can change your English completely in a few months. Small effort, big results.
Tip 5. Talk to yourself. It works.
Okay, this one sounds crazy, but it works.
Talk to yourself in English. Out loud or in your mind, both help.
For example, I'm opening the door. I need to send a message. I'm cooking rice.
It trains your brain to think in English without translating. And thinking in English is the real key to fluency. Before we continue, we want to share something personal. Because honestly, learning English wasn't easy for us in the beginning. Not at all.
Yes, people sometimes think that because we teach English now, everything was simple or natural for us. But the truth is, we struggled a lot at first.
I remember the first time I tried to watch a full video in English, I didn't understand anything. It felt like noise, like a fast train passing by my ears.
Exactly. And I remember trying to speak and nothing came out. My brain was translating every word and I felt slow, frustrated, embarrassed. I even thought, maybe this is not for me. Maybe I'll never get it.
But here's the important part. We didn't stop. We kept trying, even on days when it felt impossible.
We told ourselves, okay, it's not easy today, but tomorrow I'll try again. And then another day, and another. And little by little, everything started to change.
Something magical happens when you show up every day, even for just a few minutes. Your brain begins to adapt. English stops feeling foreign and it becomes familiar, like a place you visit so often that eventually it feels like home.
One day we realized we were understanding more. We were speaking faster. We were thinking less and feeling more confident.
And that's when we understood something powerful. Fluency doesn't happen in one big moment. It happens in hundreds of tiny moments, repeated again and again.
English became part of our routine, part of our identity, a habit that shaped us, a skill that opened so many doors.
And if it happened for us, two girls practicing alone at home, repeating phrases, shadowing videos, talking to ourselves, it can happen for you too. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be fast. You just have to stay consistent. Because one day, without even realizing it, English will stop feeling like something outside of you and start feeling like something that belongs to you.
So if you feel lost or slow or frustrated right now, take a deep breath, keep going. Your future English-speaking self will thank you. Now, let's continue. This tip is one of our favorites.
Tip 6. Use English to have fun.
People learn faster when they enjoy what they're doing.
So if you love cooking, sports, makeup, travel, mystery stories, comedy videos, watch or read about those things in English. Never force yourself to study something boring. Your brain learns better when it's excited. Tip 7. Set realistic goals, not dreams. Fluency doesn't happen overnight. So instead of saying, I want to speak like a native this year, try goals like, I'll learn 10 new expressions this week. I'll shadow 5 minutes a day. I'll read 1 English paragraph daily. Small goals equal big progress, and you feel proud instead of frustrated. Tip 8. Don't focus on being perfect.
People think native speakers speak perfectly. They don't.
Native speakers make mistakes all the time. Grammar mistakes, pronunciation mistakes, everything.
The difference is they don't care. They just keep talking.
So stop waiting for perfect grammar. Focus on communicating. That's how fluency grows. Tip 9. Track your progress. Another great tip, record yourself speaking once a week.
You will be shocked when you listen after 1 month, 3 months, 6 months.
You'll see your pronunciation improving, your speed improving, your confidence growing. It's one of the best motivators because you can literally hear your growth. Tip 10. Create your English space.
Even if your house is small, make a tiny English corner.
A notebook, a candle, post-it notes, your laptop, a little routine. When you sit there, your brain knows this is English time. It helps you focus faster and learn better. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new today, remember this. Your English journey is yours. Don't compare it to anyone else's.
And the best thing you can do is stay consistent and keep learning a little every day. With us.
We're here for you through every step of your English journey. So if you want more videos like this, fun, clear, and easy to practice with, make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Hit the like button, leave us a comment, and tell us which tip you're going to try first.
And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going.
See you in the next video.